On my laptop are these really darling little treats that my son Brandon got for me for Mother's Day.
I'm cooking dinner tomorrow on Sunday. I'm making lasagna, which she requested, and her favorite dessert, apple pie.
All right, I can't wait. He's a really good apple pie baker. He's the baker in the family. So we'll open these up in a little while tonight and we'll see what's in them.
I was told the women go crazy over those.
Over which one?
The one on the left.
This?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And
It's
tomorrow?
called ganache or something.
And tomorrow I'm having apple pie. It's like a peanut brittle. What are you looking at, Doctor? Dogs can't have chocolate. This is really good though. Angelo got me these flowers for Mother's Day. Let's see what's going on in the kitchen. Here's part of the lasagna that Brandon's making for me.
Hi. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the grunt workers to go get me an egg from the tin across the street. I ran out of material. I cooked a lot of food. I got all this sauce here. Later we're going to be making some fajitas with this over here. Yeah, we got lots of food. Trying to make some white sauce here, but I ran out of my secret ingredient.
Your secret ingredient, huh? Okay. Oh, there's the eggs. Frank saved the day.
Kinda saved the day.
Brandon made me a homemade apple pie. It's my favorite. Okay, so on Mother's Day, I don't cook.
Well, I offered to take you out, and you said you'd rather me make lasagna and apple pie.
I would rather have homemade food than go out to eat.
What is all that liquid?
We'll just put it back in the oven without the foil, and it'll just
You think
cook
it'll dry
right
out?
Yeah. Smells really good. Did you get my lasagna out?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
It's,
we need to get a bigger glass pan.
Yeah, that's only 3 layers.
It's going over the sides.
Yeah.
Yum.
That's why I got another sheet under it.
Oh look, you made another lasagna
Yeah,
here.
it was just more pasta and sauce and meat. I gotta put that
Are
in the
you
fridge.
feeding an army or what?
I was going to invite the president and his family over today.
Oh, okay.
For Mother's Day.
He
Yeah.
might be busy.
He's the president. His vice president can take care
Oh,
of things.
well,
You know?
let's give him a call. All right, this is my lasagna. Where's yours?
Ready for Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day, wife.
I'm not your mother.
Happy Mother's Day.
Lasagna. It takes 3 hours to make and 10 minutes to eat.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we have another one over
An
here.
hour and a half.
We have another one over
A bunch of
here.
leftover ingredients.
All right. Okay, well I guess we have lunch for tomorrow. Post Mother's Day lunch. Oh, look at this. Everything's all cleaned up. All that remains is a few remnants on the bowl, on the plate that the lasagna was in. But look what we have for later. Aha. Ah, yes, the apple pie. Yeah, this is way better than eating out in any restaurant, anywhere. This crust is phenomenal. I don't think Ecuador does apple pies. If they do, it's from gringos that have moved here.
No, they do now. Canesa has apple pie and apple fritter.
Well, that's because the gringos are here and they like apple pie. Apple pie is so American, it's not even funny. Apple pie and Chevrolet. Delta's wondering where her piece of pie is. All right, let's open this up and see what's inside. It's a piece of some kind of candy. I'm gonna take a bite of it, but not right now, not until after dinner. Thank you, Brandon, for thinking about Mom on
That's
Mother's
a fudge.
Day. It's a fudge?
Yeah.
It's very good fudge. It's very rich and moist and chocolatey. You'll get you a treat. There's Delta's treat.